OpenAI is now considering building data center campuses in 16 states, and that is part of Stargate, that project we got announced from the Trump administration. OpenAI has already begun construction of one of the first data centers in Texas, Ken. Now, what does this mean in your mind for the chip makers? What does this mean for the overall industry? And if we do continue to restrict exports of U.S. technology, in particular to China, is that a concern for you?
Well, again, it could be a concern, but if you look at these hyperscalers and the amount of money they're spending, Facebook $60 billion this year, and they said hundreds of billions in the next few years. Microsoft's number is $96 billion. Last night we heard it's like some type of Amazon over $100 billion. So there's a lot of investment that's going in and still accelerating. Look, year over year, capex expenditures coming into this year were 20%. I'm pegging 25 to 30, and I think it's going to be closer to 30%. And this build out that we have in Texas, great news. Again, why not? Why not have campuses around? They're calling about reindustrializing some of those areas. Now, granted, there's not going to be a lot of job growth there, Cheryl. The one in Texas, I think it's like 57 employees, but still, let them pop up around. Yes, we may lose some exports to China, but here in the U.S., it's going to be cooking, especially, I mean, look at these companies, the amount of money being spent, hundreds of billions of dollars a year for these data centers, data dives, and all those type of things.
No, I think